Hi, I'm Tomoko Shima. I got a very nice money piece highlight last month with my colorist Mara Benitez. For today's video, I want to share with you the technique Mara used on my hair. If you are a hair colorist or want to color your friend's hair like a pro, this video is for you.
I am using the bleach with 30 volume developer today. I mixed 1 scoop of bleach with 2 scoops of 30 volume. This blue bleach goes up to 7 levels from the base color and deposit redness. Take a section of your hair. The section should line up with your ear and clip it to the side. I use highlight paper instead of foils. Pick the section that you want to highlight, then tease. Apply the bleach from 1 inch of the scalp all the way down to the ends. Then slightly apply a fair amount of bleach up to the roots. Then take the next section and do the same. You will then do the same method on the other side as well. Then you will make a section for the bangs and front layer. Forming a triangle. Since the length is longer than the side pieces, I will flip the ends over to evenly split the bleach. When you move on to the second section, it should be thicker than the first section. And we will apply the bleach using the same method as before. Just keep in mind where the triangle section is, so that you don't mess it up even if you can't physically see the section. Remember to always check the section so that you can apply more bleach if it's not even. Wait for processing the bleach for 10 to 45 minutes. Usually, 45 minutes is the maximum length of bleach working time. Check the color every 5 to 10 minutes. Wipe off the bleach when it gets to the golden blonde. If you have darker natural hair like mine, you may reapply the bleach over it and leave another 30 minutes. If you want to get ash or white blonde, you need to repeat twice or 3 times for bleaching after rinsing off the first one. By the time, I always recommend to mix the Olaplex treatment and the Tomoko Shima 100% pure argan oil into the color to keep the hair healthy. Then I apply toner mixed with violet and silver 1:4 ratio. Toner may apply to wet or dry hair. Dry hair will last longer than wet hair, but wet hair is easier and faster to use. This is Tomoko Shima 100% pure argan oil. It became Sun Kiss Golden Blonde. It takes about 1.5 hours for the entire process on this mannequin head. The toner fades very fast, so I recommend using the blueberry or purple color mask once a week to fill the ash.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and feel beautiful. See you next time.